Hello everyone, welcome to QHub TV. And so if we observe the past data of Nifty and Bank Nifty, it has been clear that Nifty and Bank Nifty, both the indices traded in a range bound only. If we observe the December 20, 2022 to January 20, 2023, the levels where the Nifty and Bank Nifty traded, that is for Nifty 17,800 and 18,200. So in this range only the Nifty has been traded in the last 1 month. Coming to the Bank Nifty 41,675 to 42,660. So this is the range in which the Bank Nifty has been traded. So in the last week I told you, so by that time the Bank Nifty is the indices which was very weak on charts, but on that day in last video I told you that anything can happen in the stock market. Maybe the fresh strength will sponsored by the HDFC in the coming week. So exactly that has happened in this week. That is, except 1 or 2 days, in rest of the trading sessions, Bank Nifty has shown some positive move. Even if you observe, if you see the Friday performance of the Bank Nifty, even the Bank Nifty crossed the 20-day mark. Of course, again it failed to continue the momentum. It has been failed to continue the momentum on higher side, that is 42,660. But it has given one attempt. So that is because of HDFC leadership. On Friday, in addition to the HDFC Bank, there are a few more banking scripts which are outperformed. They are PSU banking, Axis Bank and PNB Bank, ICICI Bank, Bank of Baroda. So these are the some banks which are sponsored the strength in Bank Nifty. Whereas Nifty, so since last 2 to 3 sessions, the Nifty is not showing any movement either side. It is in between 18,000 to 18,180 something only, because of global cues only and investors mood. Since last couple of trading sessions, in US NASDAQ has been closing in red. So in the same impact has shown on our Indian IT companies also. So because of that, we haven't seen the big movement in the Nifty. But whereas some stocks have been outperformed and outperforming also since last couple of weeks, that is they are Coal India, ONGC, Hindustan Zinc, HDFC Bank, GAIL. So these are the some scripts which have been outperforming. Coming to the Friday, the sell-off came from the Asian Paints and HUL and Havels. So in these scripts, the huge selling has happened. So because of that, the Nifty has corrected some points in the post-lunch session. And overall, the Nifty and Bank Nifty in the last week have been traded within a range only. Okay, so the traders and investors haven't enjoyed any movement, big movement in the last week. Now coming to the next week. So next week is a very important week for the Indian stock market and global markets also, because for Indian stock market there are only 7 sessions are there before the budget commencement. Okay. Coming to the US markets and other global markets, on February 1st, okay, Fed committee is going to discuss the further interest rates in relation to the inflation. So next week, so that's why the next week is very important. And here we may, next week one more importance is there, that is monthly expiry. So one day before, this time we are seeing the expiry one day before, that is on 25th. So next week we may see the big movement either sides here. If Nifty sustains above 18,100 level, then we may see this time 18,200 and 300 also. If Nifty breaches 18,000 level or 17,960 level, this time we may see the downside 300 and 400, okay, downside rally also. The same thing will happen in Bank Nifty also. If we observe the put call data, so as of now the support and resistance levels are same, that is 17,900 and 18,000 levels are going to act as the supporting levels for Nifty. On higher side 18,100 is the major hurdle, and then after 18,200. Coming to the Bank Nifty immediate support is at 42,400, then after 42,100 and 42,000, these are the levels where Bank Nifty will have the support. On higher side 42,600, 42,800 and 43,000 are going to act as the resistance level. Okay, so this is the put call data, okay, for the which is available for the next week. Of course this data may change, okay, day to day. And coming to the FIIS&DIIS selling, okay, again on Friday FIIS the net sellers in cash segment, but they were net buyers in the index futures and index options. Even DIIS are the net buyers in the cash market here. So now coming to the next week, next week global cues. On Monday, leading economic indicators data is going to be released. On Tuesday, S&P US manufacturing and services statistics may be released, and PMI January flash reports also we can expect on Tuesday. Again on Thursday next week, real Q4 GDP first estimates data we can expect. On same day, that is on Thursday, new home sales data is going to be released. On Friday, real disposable income statistics will be released, and pending home sales data and consumer sentiment index for January month will be announced on Friday. So next, and one more thing, I have mentioned in the my last video that some discussions are going on outside the India related to the inflation and recession and upcoming interest rate hikes. So as on Friday evening, we have obtained some data related to the speeches delivered by the Fed leaders. Some of the speakers have clearly indicated that the investors and traders should not be surprised if the Fed continues the hike rates, because still the inflation is high in some of the countries here. So to bring down the inflation, the Fed may tighten the interest rate hikes also here. And some speakers clearly mentioned that the investors and traders should not be too optimistic and should not be to pessimistic here. Okay, the traders and investors choose the middle path, the realistic approach here. So this type of okay, interpretations we are getting from the Federal Symposium. So anyhow, the 2023 is the challenging year for the India as well as the rest of the nations also. So hope the things will okay, change positively, especially coming in the next week. Okay, again the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty may outperform because of yet to some results, that is Reliance and ICICI and other companies results may expect okay, on Friday evening and Saturday and Sunday also. Okay, hope you are enjoying this video.